Okay, so today we are leaving from Beijing to go to Anhui, where Hans' hometown is, in Hefei. So we're taking like a 5-hour train there, and right now it's like 6 in the morning, so it's gonna be a long day. Update.
So we got to our hotel in Hefei. We got lunch with my mom's cousin.
Yeah.
And now we're headed off to see my mom's mother, my grandma.
Later that night, Hans' relatives took all of us to the most beautiful tea house I have ever been in. It was so peaceful and relaxing and calming, and we were one of the only groups there, so it was just so special. They laid out the set banquet dinner in front of us, and I had never even heard of a lot of the dishes, much less tried them, so it was definitely a new experience that I absolutely loved. That being said, the highlight was definitely the opening flute player, and yeah, we just took it all in. As the night began, there were just so many dishes I could barely keep up, but it was so, so incredible. I am obsessed with tiny little bites, and that is exactly what they gave. There were so many things to try, so many different tea varieties, and it was so cute because I am not the best with spicy food, and both Hans and his parents know that, and they told the rest of their family. So literally when every dish came out, they would tell me like, oh, they would try it out and be, this is spicy or this isn't spicy, and they would always ask if I was okay or how I was feeling. They're just so kind and considerate. I think a big concern for me going in was definitely like a communication barrier, because I definitely cannot speak Chinese very well, and they're not the best with English, but I have to give Hans a lot of credit because he is so much better at Chinese than both he and I gave him credit for. But he was an excellent translator, and I feel like everyone was just trying to make us feel as comfortable and as welcome as possible. It was so caring, and you could just feel the love. That was all I could really ask for. It was an incredible night. I also have to say that the dishes were cracking me up, because instead of just saying like, oh, beef, seafood, it was literally like a poem. I swear. For example, we had beef that feels like an old friend coming to visit, or like floating clouds below like snowflakes and abalone. I just thought it was so cute and so funny. It was such a great night. I will remember this for a very long time.